welcome back. Or maybe for the first time to my Skydio with me. In today's episode, I'm going to be kicking things up just one more notch, further honing and expanding my ability to monitor and control my Skydio 2 with the involvement of the beacon while I'm riding my bike in an environment that will be more challenging than ever for my Skydio 2. When my Skydio 2 was brand new, I did overestimate what its abilities were, and although it blew my socks off, it also blew my wallet wide open because I ended up destroying it twice. So I'm a little bit more conservative now, and I'm slowly getting to know my Skydio, knowing what its behaviors are, what kind of things, what's it gonna do when I bring it into certain situations, so that I can get cool video without really putting it in an unfair situation where disaster will happen again. Will disaster happen again? I don't know. Want to find out? Come along with me and we'll have an adventure.
Flying, camera outside in the breeze. We're bobbing, and dodging round everything with ease. Unconventional invention and adventure. Come and see my Skydio and me.
Come on. Hi, just about to follow me out of here. Hello. Thank you. Okay, just swallowed a bug. Trying to help it to keep me in view. Oh, low battery, all right. All right. And we shut her off. And then turn it back on. Take off, let's see if it'll do it. And we're gonna do this now. Oh, what are you doing? No, you're about to crash. Turn. Come hither. Down. Now you follow me here. This is crazy. The Skydio dirty camera. Come on. Really? It says dirty camera. We're gonna wipe the cameras. 3, 4. All right. Now come in close, please. Because that's the only way you're going to be able to follow me through this stuff. There we go. A little tree there. Please don't hit it. Yeah. And that is what the crash looks like. However, it looks like everything's fine. And that is God telling me that this environment is too much for my Skydio. All right, everybody, I think I'm going to conclude today's episode right here, but I do think that the day was a success because two things. One is I got lots of practice overriding the motion track and taking manual control and flying it back to me in pretty thick woods and everything. It was very challenging for me, and I got it back successfully 100% of the time. But I also determined a little bit better what the limits, what kind of environment is beyond the Skydio 2's ability. Amazing as it is, there are certain environments that it's just unfair to fly it in, and this is one of them. The greatest thing is that my drone, even though it crashed, it seems virtually unscathed, totally operational, but I'm not gonna fly it here anymore. So if you are enjoying these type of episodes or my series in general, do consider subscribing or at least click that like button. It lets me know that these things are worthwhile and I should keep doing them. In the meantime, fly well. If you get a Skydio, be nice to it, be cautious, be responsible, but don't be afraid to push the limits a little bit, you know, because the Skydio might surprise you like it has me. So anyway, thank you for tuning in. I will catch you next time on My Skydio and Me.